Have you ever noticed some USB ports are black, others blue, red, or even yellow, and wondered what they actually mean? Well, each color has a purpose, from data speed to power delivery. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly which USB port to use for speed, charging, or older devices. First up, we have the white port. This is the original USB 1.0 or 1.1. It was introduced back in the late 90s. It was revolutionary at that time, handling speed of up to 12 megabits per second. But today, its standards that's very low and very slow. So you will mostly find these on very old PCs devices, and they're best suited for legacy accessories like early keyboards or gamepads. So like I said before, it had a low speed of 1.5 megabytes per second and its highest speed was 12 megabytes per second. Next is black USB port, also known as the USB 2.0. This was a huge upgrade, offering speeds of up to 480 megabits per second. It's great for basic devices like keyboards, mice, printers, and flash drives. However, if you are transferring large files or connecting an external SSD, this will feel very slow. The next port, we have the USB blue port. This is USB 3.0 or 3.1, and it was under generation 1. It comes with a power of 0.9 amperes. It's around 10 times faster than the USB 2.0 with speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second. This is the perfect for external hard drives, SSDs, and high-speed flash drives. You will notice the blue color inside the connector, which makes it easier to spot. Once you see a blue color on your USB, remember that is a USB 3.0. Next one in line is a teal color USB. This is USB 3.1 or 3.2. Some people call it turquoise port. So if you see a teal or a turquoise port, that's a USB 3.1 and it is under generation 2, and it's also 3.2. so this one doubles the speed again, up to 10 gigabits per second. It is the go-to option for video editors, large backups, or professional grade devices. So for those guys that are having high-speed file transfers, the 4K video, movies, whatever, videos, etc., advanced devices, this is the USB port for you. Then we have the red or yellow or orange port. You might find a device that has a red USB port or a yellow device, USB port, or an orange USB port. So these are charging. They are used for charging, and it's always indicated as always on power. In other words, you can actually refer to them as power banks, because they will charge your device even if the PC is off. So these are charging ports typically that can deliver power even when your computer is turned off or sleeping. So if you want to charge your phone or Bluetooth device overnight without leaving your PC on, this is the port to use. See, sometimes color is not enough, and color enough is not enough to figure out the port version. While it is often easy to figure out the USB ports version just from its color, it's more of a convention to color the ports that way, and it's not a requirement of the standard. A yellow port may be a USB 3.0 port. Also, some USB 3.0 ports are actually black. So in some cases, one way to identify the port type is to look at the symbol on the top of the port. So USB 3.0 ports have the following SS symbol on the top of the port or beside the port. So if the port has an SS10 symbol, it means it supports transfer speed of up to 10 gigabytes per second. So Coloring USB ports is certainly helpful in identifying the version of USB ports and whether the ports provide better charging capability. The thing is, one needs to know the meaning of each color first, which I hope this video really helped. So, my viewers, if you find this useful, please don't forget to drop a comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.